Now let's start with the exercise 7.2. This exercise, in this exercise there are two questions given to you. Okay, now this question number 1 is based upon the form of x square plus bx plus c. In second question, it is based upon the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now you can see in the question that your first term is given you in the form of either x square or b square or y square or whatever. Okay, means no constant will be there in the first term. So first term is x square plus bx. Second term is in the form of bx, means one constant is there and one variable will be there. Okay, minus y means minus 1y. Last term is constant. Last term will be given to you in the form of constant. So you have to factorize this algebraic expression. In the second question, it is given you in this form. Means in the first term, this first one value can be constant. It will be constant and variable. Mixture of square of variable and a constant. You can check it out. 2t square, 3p square, 3b square, 5y square, 2y square, 2t square. Okay. Plus bx. Second term is one variable and mixture of variable and a constant. Okay, third term will be constant. So these are the form which I have told you right now. These are the form of question number 1 and 2. But now how you have to factorize these algebraic expression? Rest of the steps will be same, but first step will be different. What you have to do, you have to write, this is your question. You have to write your first term as it is and last term as it is. Okay, you have to split this middle term, but you have to factorize your this one term. You have to factorize this term, last term. Okay, so last term is 8. So you have to make factors of 8. Factors of 8 is 2 4s are 8 or 4 2s are 8. Okay, after that 8 1s are 8 or 1 8s are 8. These two are the factors. Okay, you always have to make factors of the last term and then you have to check it out your middle term. You have to add or subtract these two factors and your answer must be equal to middle term. If I'll subtract 2 plus 4, if I'll add 2 plus 4, answer will be equal to 6. If I'll subtract 2 minus 4 or 4 minus 2, my answer will be equal to 2. Okay, that will not satisfy my question. My middle term is 7. Okay, if I'll add 8 plus 1, it is equal to 9. If I'll subtract 8 minus 1, it will be equal to 7. Okay, that means this is my requirement. I want 8 minus 1. So you have to write first term as it is, last term as it is. Now factor of minus 8 is 8 minus 1. Okay, factors of 8 minus 8 is 8 and 1. Now 8 minus 1 will be equal to 7. So how you have to write? You have to write in this way. You have to write in this way. Okay, 8b minus 1b, because this is 7b. So write variable also. 8b minus 1b is equal to 7b and 8 into minus 1 will be equal to minus 8. Clear? Now rest of the steps will be same like the previous exercise. You have to make pair, and this is first pair and this is second pair. Make two pairs and take something common from them. Okay, what is common? B is common. And what is left in the bracket? B is left plus 8 is left. Bracket close. Now I'll take minus 1 common. So what is left? B is left plus 8 is left. Whenever I'll take minus sign outside, my internal sign will become opposite. Minus will become positive and positive will become negative. So if I'll take minus sign outside, both will become positive. Now this one bracket and this one bracket is same. So you have to take common. You write this one bracket only one time. Okay, take common. Now what is left? Only B is left, minus 1 is left, and this will be your answer. Alright. Now this is your B part. Y square minus 1y minus y means minus 1y minus 6. So you have to write y square as it is and the last term minus 6 as it is. Okay, always write down these two terms as it is. You have to split this one term. Okay, and you have to make factors of this one term. Okay, make factors of last term and split the middle term. Now factors of 6 is 2 3s are 6 or 3 2s are 6. Okay, after that 6 1s are 6. Okay, now your plus minus should be equal to 1. Okay, then I'll subtract 3. If I'll add 3 plus 2, it is equal to 5. No. If I'll subtract 3 minus 2, it is equal to 1. Yes, this is my factor which I want. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1, but here is minus 1. So I will write 2 minus 3. It is equal to minus 1. Okay, so I'll write minus 3 plus 2. Okay, or you can write in plus 2 here and minus 3 here, same thing. Okay, but you have to see that minus will be in front of bigger value. Okay, minus 6 as it is. Now make pairs. This is first pair, this is second pair. Take something common. If I'll take y outside, what is left? Y minus 3 is left, plus I'll take 2 common. What is left? Y minus 2 3s are 6. This is left. Now this one bracket and this one bracket is same. So take this bracket common. Okay, so I'm writing this one bracket here. Y minus 3. Now what is left here? Y is left and here plus 2. Sorry, this is plus 2. Plus 2 is left. Okay, so this is your answer. Now in this way you have to solve C part. You have to make factors of last term and you have to split the middle term. Write this term as it is, this term as it is, and make factors of this. Factors of 45 will be there will be 2 3 factors, but you have to take that factor which will satisfy the middle term. Okay, similarly you have to solve D part same as it is. Take the factors of last term and split the middle term. Okay, and then do pairing and they take something common and then use the grouping method. Okay, similarly E part, similarly F part. Okay, I have solved these parts. You can go through with these parts. If you will face any problem in any part, just you can call or message me anytime. Okay, but the thing is that you just have to check the sign also. It is plus or minus. In this way you have to make the factors. Okay, let me tell you E part. Okay, E part is a square minus 15a plus 36. Write down this term as it is and this term as it is, plus 36 as it is. Now you have to make factors of 36 factors. Okay, factors of 36 will be, it will be 2 multiply by, you can multiply 2 with it will you have to multiply like 3 into 12. Yeah, it will be equal to 36. And when you multiply 12 into 3 into 12 36, then factors is 4 into 9 36. Then factors will be 3 12s are 12 3s are 4 9s are 9 4s are, then 6 6 are 36. Okay, after that it will be equal to 36. Now you can think about how many factors will be there. You can see that 9 4s are done. It is done. Yeah, there can be more factors also. Okay, but which factor will satisfy the middle term? Middle term is minus 15. Okay, so only 6 and 6 will be equal to 12. 6 minus 6 will be 0. 4 plus 9 is 13 and 9 minus 4 is 5. 12 plus 3 is 15. 12 minus 3 will be equal to 9. So I want 12 plus 3. But my this term is minus. So I'll write minus 12 minus 3. Minus 10 minus 12 minus 3, it is equal to minus 15. And minus 12 multiply minus 3 is equal to plus 36. Okay, you just have to check this sign. If this is negative, then what kind of sign you have to put? If this is positive, then what kind of sign you have to put? Okay, now my factors will be minus 12a minus 3a. Okay, now make pairing. This is first pair, this is second pair. Take something common. So what is left? A is left, minus 12 is left. Take minus 3 common. What is left? A is left and minus 12 is left. Okay, 3 12s are 36. Now this and this bracket is same, so take this bracket outside. Okay, or take common. Now what is left? A is left, minus 3 is left. This will be your answer. Okay, so other parts I have solved. Just read out and do practice of other parts and then go for the fair work. Now second question of this exercise is based upon ax square plus bx plus c. It means the first term is not only variable. Okay, in the previous question the first term was the square of variable. Now a constant is also given. Okay, now how you have to do, the steps are same. You have to write first term as it is and the last term as it is. Okay, and you have to split the middle term. Okay, in the previous question you were making the factors of this 3. Now you have to make factors of this constant and this constant. You have to multiply these two. 2 multiplied with 3, it is equal to 6. Now you have to make factors of 6. Okay, so factors of 6 and middle term is 7. So 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, or 3 minus 2 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Yes, I want 7 here. So I'll take factors 6y plus 1y. Okay, and when I'll multiply 6 into 1, it is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. This will be your factor, and this is, in this way you can split the middle term. Okay, the rest of the steps will be same. Okay, do pairing, take something common. Now in this you can take y common and 2 also common. So what is left? Only y is left, plus 2 3s are 6 is left, and y is outside, bracket close. Now here plus 1, only 1 is common. What is left? Y plus 3 as it is. This one and this one bracket is same now. So you can take common this one bracket. Okay, and what is left in the next bracket? 2y plus 1 is left. Okay, so in this way you have to solve B part, C part. The concept is you have to multiply this one term and this one term. Okay, you have to multiply these two terms. Okay, then you have to make factors of that and then split the middle term. So in this way you have to solve B part, C part and rest of the parts. This is your D part, this is your E part, this is your F part. Okay, let me tell you one more part. I'll tell you D part. Now this is the statement 2t square plus 5t minus 12. Okay, so now what you have to do, 2t square write as it is and minus 12 you write as it is. Now make factors, but factors will be, you have to multiply this term and this term. You have to multiply these two terms. 12 2s are 24 and this is minus, so minus 24. Okay, and middle term is 5t. So factors of 24 will be 2 12s are, or 12 2s are, then 3 8s are, or 8 3s are, then 4 6s are, or 6 4s are, then after that 12, and then after that you can see that any other factor is there or no. 24 1s are or 124s are. So which one factor will satisfy? I want here 5t. So this factor will work. Okay, 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, 8 minus 3 is 5. And 8 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 24. So I'll write here 8t minus 3t. Okay, now make pairing. In this pair, 2t is common. So in the bracket t plus 4 is left. Here minus 3 is common. In the bracket t plus 4 is left. Now this and this bracket is same. So take common t plus 4 in one bracket and 2t minus 3 in the one bracket. Okay, so this will be your answer. In this way you have to solve A and B part. In the first question, first and second question, in these two questions, what is the concept? You have to make factors of, in the first question you have to make factors of the last term and split the middle term. In this question number 2, you have to multiply this term with this term, then make factors and then split the middle term, and then go with the further steps. Alright, this is a concept of exercise 7.2. So note down the question properly in your fair notebook, and before that go for the practice part properly and sincerely, and make your fair notebooks ready. I'll call you for your fair notebooks in the coming week. Alright, so till that time, bye bye and take care all of you.